In just 10 years, AI could change what every child on Earth learns, and even the jobs they'll have. From personalized AI tutors to careers that don't exist today, the next decade will completely redefine education. Here's what the next generation needs to know, and how it will redefine what it means to be smart for all of us. It's 2035. A teenager in West Africa gets 24/7 homework help from an AI mentor on her phone, explaining complex physics through local agricultural examples. Across the globe in South Korea, every student learns from an AI-powered digital textbook that adjusts to their pace. This isn't science fiction. Pilot programs like this are already happening today. AI is already reshaping classrooms. Here's how. Adaptive learning platforms, lessons that adjust in real time based on how you learn. AI tutors, always on, personalized help for any subject. Generative AI, creating custom practice tests, interactive simulations, and creative learning tools. And data-driven curriculum. AI finds where students struggle and shows exactly how to fix it. In the UAE, AI tutors are boosting student math performance by over 10%. In Brazil, an AI writing coach has improved essay scores so much that some states have adopted it in every public high school. AI won't replace teachers, it will free them. No more hours of grading or endless admin work. AI can handle routine tasks, so teachers can focus on what they do best, sparking curiosity, mentoring a student through a tough time, and fostering real human connection. But it's not just about efficiency. AI is also making classrooms more inclusive. Imagine adaptive textbooks that switch instantly to sign language, or read aloud for visually impaired students. AI could bring quality learning to millions currently out of school through low-cost devices, instant translation, and offline access. The challenge? Ensuring it's available to everyone, not just the wealthy. Organizations like UNESCO are already pushing for open-source AI models and new government policies to help bridge this digital divide. In an AI-driven future, these skills will be essential. AI and tech literacy, understanding how AI works and how to use it wisely. Technical skills, coding, data analysis, cybersecurity basics. Ethics and digital citizenship, knowing the responsibilities and risks of AI. And lifelong learning, adapting quickly as industries change. But the most critical, some jobs will disappear, but many will evolve. The winners will be those who combine tech skills with human creativity, empathy, and problem-solving. AI in education isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. The classrooms of 2035 could be the most inclusive, personalized, and creative in history, if we get it right. So, if you were designing the school of the future, what would you teach? Excited? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community of future thinkers.